Hey everybody, thanks for watching. I just wanted to share one of the things that I do with my videos that allow me to record extra time. So these GoPros, you know, they're real nice. They do a lot of things. This is like a little wind buffer thing around it. But what you can do is you can actually get a door for the battery that has a hole in it that allows you to put these USB-Cs power supplies in. And what I do is I'll have the USB-C cable, and I'll have a battery bank that I carry that will feed my GoPros. So instead of getting the 1 hour to 2 hour range on your battery, doing this configuration, you can, gosh, I think I've had it up to 4 or 5 hours, and the camera keeps going. Because I'm skiing, it's not really an overheating issue involved, but for those of you that would do this in warmer weather, there might be an issue with the overheating. All right, well, I hope that helps somebody. Again, you've got to get a special battery door for your GoPro camera. They're different between like the GoPro 8s, 9, 10s, and 11s, and 12s. They all, those last four all take the same battery door. And I'll put a link or a picture of what that looks like right here in the description. Okay, thanks a lot.